Identifying usability issues of software analytics applications in immersive augmented reality. This tutorial gives you a short introduction to Getaviz, our visual software analytics tool for augmented reality. The screencast has been recorded with Microsoft HoloLens. Please be aware that the visualization provides a much better experience for the user than the recording does suggest. If you perceive the visualization directly, it has a stronger contrast and less edge flickering. The central part of the user interface is the city visualization. It can be placed anywhere in the room and it has a fixed position. You can adjust the city's size, rotation and position by clicking on the transform button using the AirTap gesture. The city provides an overview of the complete system and consists of districts and buildings. You can gaze at them to inspect the names of the packages and classes. Dialog boxes provide additional information and can be freely positioned. They can float in space or, as you can see here, be placed on a suitable real-world object. Click on a building to see the corresponding source code. At the Filter dialog window, you can navigate through the package containment tree and select individual packages. Watch how the fully qualified name in the top changes when you select packages. In the future, districts can thus be hidden. Currently, this window is only a mock-up and does not affect the city visualization. You want to try Getaviz for Microsoft HoloLens yourself? Well, the app is available at the Microsoft Store. Simply use the link in the video description. There you will also find links to the open source repository and to our publication. Thanks for watching!